Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is general knowledge. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is general knowledge, and this is our revision class. In our previous class, we have revised some questions and answers from here, and this is lecture number 22. This is lecture number 22. So dear student, let us start today's class. Students, in our annual term, we have total 12 general knowledge questions and answers. Among them, we have already revised from 1 number to 6 number in our previous class, that means lecture number 21. And today we will revise from 7 to 12. Here is 7 number question is, what is the national bird of Bangladesh? What is the national bird of Bangladesh? Answer is magpie robin. You can see here is the picture of magpie robin. Magpie robin spelling is M-A-G-P-I-E, magpie robin, R-O-B-I-N, robin. Magpie robin is our national bird. And now 8 number question here. Which one is the smallest bird of the world? Which one is the smallest bird of the world? And answer is hummingbird. And here is the picture of hummingbird. Hummingbird spelling is H-U-M-M-I-N-G, humming, B-I-R-D, hummingbird. Now 9 number question. How many bones are there in a human body? How many bones are there in a human body? Answer is 206 bones. Total 206 bones. And 10 number question here is, write the name of 7 colors. Write the name of 7 colors, and I have written here 7 colors name. 1 number here is red. This is red color. Red spelling is R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. And 2 number is green. Green spelling is G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. And 3 number here is yellow. Yellow spelling is Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. And 4 number color name here is blue. This is blue color, and blue spelling is here B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. And 5 number color here is white. This is white color, and so white spelling is W-H-I-T-E, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. And 6 number color here is black. This is black color. Black spelling is B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And 7 number color here is orange, and the spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And here is 11 number question. What is the name of national flower of Bangladesh? And you can see here is a picture. This is, the answer is water lily, and this is the picture of water lily. And water lily spelling is W-A-T-E-R, water lily, L-I-L-Y, lily, water lily. And here is the last question, 12th number. What is the capital of Bangladesh? What is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. Answer is Dhaka. Dhaka spelling D-H-A-K-A, Dhaka. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic, and you have to practice more. Keep practice these questions and answer at your home. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.